Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect controller to GeForce Now. The first step is to verify the compatibility of your controller. Most widely used controllers, including those from Xbox, PlayStation, and various generic USB options, are compatible with GeForce Now. Ensuring that your controller is supported can help prevent potential frustrations during the setup process. Once compatibility is confirmed, the next step is to connect the controller to your computer or a wired connection. Simply plug the controller into a USB port. Most systems will automatically recognize the controller, allowing for immediate use without further setup. This straightforward approach allows user to quickly get started with minimal hustle. Those opting for a wireless connection, the steps vary slightly depending on the type of controller. If you are using an Xbox controller, begin by pressing the Xbox button to turn it on. Hold the pairing button until the Xbox logo blinks. Then navigate to Settings, Device, Bluetooth, and other devices on your PC. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth and the Xbox controller should appear in the list of available devices. For easy connection, connecting a PlayStation controller follows a similar process. Press and hold both the PS button and the Share button until the light bar starts flashing. Next, go to Settings, Device, Bluetooth, and other devices on your PC. Click Add Bluetooth on other devices. Select Bluetooth and choose your PlayStation controller from the list to complete the connection. After successfully connecting the controller, the next step is to launch GeForce Now. This can be done by opening the GeForce Now app or accessing it through a web browser. Once the platform is open, it's essential to check the controller settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly by clicking the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Users can navigate to the controller section to confirm that the controller is recognized. This menu also allows users to adjust sensitivity and button mappings to suit their preference with a controller connected. And settings configured, players can now select a game that supports controller input. At this stage, they could be able to navigate menus and engage in game play seamlessly. However, users may face issues if the controller does not function as expected. In such cases, a few troubleshooting steps can help resolve the problem. First, ensure that the controller is properly connected. If issues persist, restarting GeForce Now and your PC can often resolve connectivity problems. Additionally, verify that the game you are attempting to play supports controller input if necessary. Updating the controller's firmware may also address compatibility issues. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.